fast forward to the COVID-19 pandemic, I was trying to maximize clinical exposure for my students on the wards because they were not being allowed on the wards during the major lockdowns, and the clinical placements were affected. And while using traditional video platforms, after many years, I wore that software development hat again and started to think that, yes, fine, we are using a platform which is allowing us to do live video calls, and it served us really well during that very tough time. But what are the features which would make a platform purpose built for clinical skills training? Because what I could envisage at that particular point in time was pandemic was to get over at some point, but one thing wasn't going back, and that was telehealth. And it's a shame it took this world a pandemic to unleash the potential of telehealth.
And remote work, right?
Yes, both
Yeah.
likewise. And I will come to that part of remote work very soon. So telehealth has grown exponentially during the last few years. And I was reading somewhere it's estimated to be a 45 billion US dollar industry by year 2024. And the skilled staff needed to run the show effectively isn't being retained or trained on those lines. So I found my niche opportunity there as an educator and someone who is very much a part of healthcare fraternity and equipped with the software development skills. I put all my knowledge domains together and designed a platform called Telegenz, which I launched as a startup in 2021. So it's a fully customizable platform which can be customized to any healthcare discipline. And because it is fully customizable, it can even be used by law schools, business schools, corporate training, because just like we need trained telehealthcare service providers, we need trained people who are working in remote workforce equipped with, I tend to call it as tele-skills training.
Yeah.
So, if the employers are satisfied that their workers are well trained and well able to work remotely and deliver on, whatever the key deliverables are, then there would be what I should say, the support for remote work to continue, and it should continue for so many reasons. Most importantly, of it being able to engage with workforce such as women and even men who cannot engage with full-time clinical work or long commute work arrangements due to maybe family reasons or even health reasons or whatever. So it's a great facility to have to be able to work remotely, be it in healthcare or non-healthcare domains.